Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your eBay account. First you need to go to eBay and then log in. Click here, help and contact. And then here on the search bar type close. Close in eBay store, click here. You can read the information here and the terms of service. If you scroll down, cancel eBay store subscription. You click here. Yeah, this is what you need to do. I hope this video is useful. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe in the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions, any suggestion, any idea, just you can leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.